Hello children, good morning everyone. Welcome to 5th day of online maths class. Yesterday we learned importance of zero, how to write numbers in number names and how to write numbers names into numerals, it means figures. Today I want to explain one new topic. Before going to that topic, I want to ask one question children. Who am I? Yes children, I am your maths teacher. Who are you? You are my student. Yes, right? Maybe suppose I am a teacher in the school. At home, I am a mother or a sister. You are a boy or a girl. It means a daughter or a son to your parents. It means if you change our places, our value also change. Yes, right? But we didn't change our faces. Our faces never change. Our faces remains same at both the places. One more example. Now we are studying 4th class. Last year you done 3rd standard. Like year by year you change your classes, it means you change your standard. At the same time your syllabus also increasing. But not you. Your faces never change. Yes, right children? It means coming to the numbers, if you change the numbers, it means if you change a digit, the digits are located in different places. If you change the place of a digit, the place value of the digit is changing. But the face value of the digit is never changed. Today we are discussing about the topic is place value and face value. Let us see how. Today we are discussing about the topic is place value and face value. What is the definition of place value? What is the definition of place value? Place value of any digit depends upon the places. It means what is the definition of place value? Place value of any digit according to its position or a place in the number. That is the definition of place value. Now coming to the place value, face value, little bit differences here children. Place value, face value. The face value of the digit never change. The place value of any digit is the digit itself only. Okay? It means same as that particular digit. Understand children? Let's do one activity. I want to take one number children. Yes. I take one number 23. You already know the place values. 23 is a 2-digit number. Now tell me the place values of this number. Yes, I am writing. 3 is in which place? Yes, right. 1's place. And here 2 is in 10's place. Now, how to find out the place value? Before going that, I am just explaining face value first. Face value means face value of any digit, it never change. It means same as the particular digit. It means digit itself we have to write. 3 is in 1's place. Okay, 3. What is the face value of this digit? Digit itself only. It means the face value of number 3 is 3. Face value. I am talking about face value. Now coming to this 2. 2 in 10's place. Here I am asking face value. The face value of 2 is, yes, the face value of 2 is itself number only. We write 2. Yes, right children? Okay. The face value of 3 is 3. The face value of 2 is 2. Now, I just take one more number. Just interchange the digits. I want to interchange the places of digits. If you change the number, interchange the digits means what is the number we get? Yes, 32. Yes, this is the number 32. Now, first of all, write the place values of this number. Ones and this is tens. Here 2 in ones place, here 3 in tens place. First of all, we write the place value of this digit. Face value. What is the face value of these 2? I already explained, children. Place value. I am asking face value. Little bit confusing, children. Don't confuse. Face value I am asking. The face value of 2 is the digit itself only. It means same as that number, particular number. 2. Face value number changes. Now coming to this number. What is the face value of this number? Yes, right children. That's right. 3 itself only. Okay? Okay. The face value of 3 is 3. The face value of 2 is 2. Once again, all of you look at the board, children. Here also, in the ones place, which digit here? 3. Here also 3 is there. 3, but 3 is in tens place. The face value of 3 here, 3. The face value of 3 here, 3. Here the places are changed, but the value of the face, it remains same. The face value never change. But place value changes. Now you understand, children? Okay. Face value means digit itself, same as that particular digit. Face value never changes. Face value remains same. Now you understand? If any digit in, see, for example 2, one more example, 2 in tens place, here 2 in ones place. Here the places are different, but the place values are same, children. Do you understand about face value? Now I want to explain place value. Okay, children? Look at the board carefully. Note all the important points in one graph book. Children? Now I want to talk about place value. What is the definition of place value? What is the definition of place value, children? Place value means the value of a digit depends upon the place or position in the number. Okay? Okay, children. Now I want to write a place value. Okay? The place value of a digit located in here 3 in the place of ones. So the value of 3, we write a digit itself multiplied by the the value of the place. Ones means 1. So 3 multiplied by 1, we get 3. So the value of 3 is, the place value of 3 is 3. Here 2 in which place? Tens place. Here also I want to write place value, children. Listen carefully. Which digit is located in tens place? Yes, 2. 2 multiplied by the digit located in which place? Tens place. The value of tens means? Yes, 10. Do you know the tables, children? Now tell me 2 tens are how much? Yes, it's 20. The value of 2 is 20 here. The value of 3 is 3 here. Yes, children? Now, look at the board. The place value of 3 is 3. The place value of 2 is 20. Okay. Now I want to explain this number. Come on, tell me. I already explained here, no? Now tell me the place value of 2 here. 2 is located in ones place. First we write the digit itself and multiply by the value of the place. 2 ones are how much? 2. Now coming to here. What is the place value of the digit? 3. Here 3 is located in tens place. Write the digit and multiply by the value of the place. Tens means 10. 3 tens are how much? Yes, 30. Here the place value of 2 is 2. Why? Because 2 is in ones place. The place value of 3 is located in tens place. The value of that digit is 30. Now you understand, children, place value? Now look at both the numbers. Here also 3. One of the digit. Here also 3 located ones tens place. Now 3 in ones place. So the value of 3 is 3. Here 3 in tens place. The value of 3 is 30. Here both the numbers are same, children. No, it means if you change the place of a digit, automatically the value of that place also changes. The value of the digit also changes. This is all place value. Okay. Now coming to this one. Here 2 in tens place. Here 2 in ones place. The place value of 2 is 20. The place value of 2 is 2. Here also place values are same, children? No, it means the place of a digit. The place of a digits are different. So the place values of the digits also different. Now you understand, children, place value and place value and face value. Now I want to take 2 more examples. Okay. After this class, I want to send one worksheet for you. Do that one and send the pic immediately. Let us see 2 more examples. Okay, children. Once I want to recall what is the place value, the value of any digit according to its place and position in the number. What is the definition of face value? Face value is in any digit itself only. It means it never changes. But the place value of any digit is changes, automatically the values also changes. Understand, children? Now, coming to the examples. All of you look at the board, children. How to find out the place values and face values of given numbers. I want to take two examples, children. Note down. 4, 5, 3, 2. It means 4,532. One more number. 6,18,359. All of you read the number 4,532 and here 6,18,359. First of all, we write the place values of these numbers. Come on, tell me. 2 in ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Coming to this number also. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. After the place values, we read the number back to front. 6,18,351. 4,532. Okay. Now write face value, place and place value. Okay. Face value, place and place value. Okay, listen. I already explained face value means digit itself. It never changes. Same as the particular digit. Yes, right children? Now tell me. What is the face value of this number 2? Yes, children. We write as same number. The face value of 3 is itself. Now 5. The face value of 5 is 5. Now coming to the thousands place. Which number is there? 4. The face value of 4 is 4. Now tell me. 2 is in which place? Yes, ones place. 3 in which place? Tens place. 5 is in which place? Yes, children, you are right. Hundreds. Hundreds place. Now 4 in which place? Thousands place. Yes, fine. Thousands. Thousand. Now, how to write the place value? How to get the place value? First of all, we write the digit multiplied by the value of the digit. It means simply 2 multiplied by the value of the place. What is the place value, children? Digit. It means face value multiplied by value of the digit. Value of the digit. Value of the place. We already write the digit, no? Okay. Now tell me, what is the face value here? 2. 2 multiplied by the value of ones. Yes, 1. You know the tables, children. Come on, tell me. 2 ones are 2. Now, the value of place value of 3. First, we write the place value multiplied by the value of the place. Tens. It means 10. 1 0. 3 tens are 30. Coming to 5 in which place? Hundreds place. So the face value of 5 is 5 multiplied by the value of 5. It means 5 in hundreds place, no? So the value of 100 is 100. 5 hundreds are? Yes, 500. Now coming to 4 in thousands place. The face value of 4 is 4 and multiplied by 1000. The value of 1000 you already know. 1 followed by 3 zeros. 4 into 1000? 4,000. Now you understand, children, how to write face value, place and place value. Now coming to second one. Can you, children? Okay. face value. Everyone try the sum in rough notebook. Now tell me children, the face value of 9 is 9. The face value of 5 is, yes, itself number. So we write that number only, 5. The face value of 3 is 3. The face value of 8, 8 itself. The face value of 1, yes, 1. The face value of 6, yes, 6. It means face value never changes. We write the same number. Now tell me the places. 9 in which place? 1's place. 9 in which place? 1's. 5 in 10's. Yes. 3 in 100's place. Next, 18,000's place. Yes. Here 1 in which place? 10,000. 10,000. Now 6 in which place? Yes, lakh. Lakh's place. Now we write the place values. How to find out the place values I already explained. We write the digit. It means place value multiplied by value of the place. Value of the place. Now tell me. So 9 place value is 9 multiplied by the value of place. 1's means 1. It means 9 located in 1's place, no? So 9 1's are 9. The value of the digit is 9. The place value of the digit 9 is 9. Now coming to here. 5 in 10's place. Digit multiplied by the value of the place 10's. We write 10. 5 10's are 50. Coming to 100. The value of the place value of 3. Write the digit 3 into the value of the place 100. 300 is equal 3 into 100. We get 300. Now coming to 8. 18,000's place. The value, the place value of 8 multiplied by 1000. It means 1 followed by how many zeros, children? 3 zeros. 8 into 1000. Yes, 8,000. Now, 1 in 10,000's place. So, the place value of 1 into 10,000 means how many zeros? Yes, 1 followed by 4 zeros. So, 1 into 10,000? Yes, 10,000. Now, the place value of 6. 6 into, what is the place of 6? 6 is located in lakhs. What is the value of lakh? Lakh means how many zeros? Here 1 followed by 5 zeros. Yes children, 5 zeros. So 6 multiplied by 1 lakh, we get 6 lakh. 6 lakhs. Okay children, now you understand how to write the face value, place and place value. Regarding this topic, I send one worksheet for you children. Everyone complete that one and send the pic immediately. Okay children? Okay, bye. We will meet again.